Hey, this is Antoine at Learn Local SEO, and I want to show you how to add special hours and holiday hours to your Google Business Profile. All you have to do is log in right here and click on Edit Profile. And once you're here, all you have to do is scroll down. And right here, these are your regular business hours. You do not want to mess with these. These are your standard hours, when you're going to be open, closed. If you want to come down here, click on Special Hours. And Google does a good job of giving you a list of the holidays, right? So for Thanksgiving, you can just click review right here and you can just say, hey, we're closed on Thanksgiving. Black Friday, maybe you're open 8 to 5. Christmas Eve, maybe you're closing early that day. Just scroll down to 2 o'clock. Christmas, you can just say you're closed. New Year's Eve, maybe you're closed. New Year's Day, you're closed. And all you have to do is click save. If you just want to add like a special hour, maybe you are closing on this upcoming week or something, and you're going to close your store, your shop a little bit early, right? Just click on today and maybe just go like this. Hey, I'm going to close up at 2 o'clock today for some reason, and click save. And then once you do that, tomorrow it's going to be closed at 2 o'clock. And then you don't have to mess with your regular business hours. Those will always stay the same. And then Thanksgiving comes, it's going to be closed. And then the next day, it'll just revert back to the regular hours, right? So that's pretty much the special hours. It's pretty simple to do. It's pretty great feature for in your Google Business Profile. Another thing I want to let you know is special hours will override your regular business hours. So if your regular hours are saying that you're open on Thursday from 8 to 5, and you have this Thursday for Thanksgiving close, it's going to show this. So anything in the special hours will override your regular business hours. I just wanted to make that clear. But that's good because you can just a day close up early and then you don't have to go back and make changes again. You can just come down here with your special hours and make an update, and then the next day it's going to go back to the regular business hours. So that's all I want to let you know. All right. Have a good one. Bye.